Mercedes-AMG has unveiled the updated powerful crossover GLC 53 4MATIC Plus. Externally, the GLC 53 has been given a more aggressive look: a larger radiator grille, a front bumper with large air intakes, extended wheel arches, and new standard 20-inch or optional 21-inch wheels. The main news is the return of the inline-6 cylinder engine, replacing the previous 4-cylinder unit used in the earlier GLC 43 and GLC 63 models. This decision came after criticism from AMG fans, who believed that the 4-cylinder engine didn't match the spirit of Mercedes' performance division. The new GLC 53 features an enhanced 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine with twin charging, a powerful exhaust gas turbocharger, plus an electric auxiliary compressor. It delivers 449 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, already more powerful than its predecessor. But the real magic begins when you press hard on the accelerator pedal. The 48-volt mild hybrid system with integrated starter generator instantly adds 23 horsepower and additional torque. The overboost function increases torque from 600 Nm to 640 Nm for 10 seconds. This explosive power is ideal for overtaking or pulling away from a standstill. During braking, the system recuperates energy and stores it in the 48-volt battery, keeping the mild hybrid system ready for the next burst of acceleration. A 9-speed dual-clutch transmission transfers power to all wheels. Thanks to this setup, the GLC 53 accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.2 seconds and has a top speed of 270 km/h, but only with the optional AMG driver's package. The engine has become much livelier and more emotional across the entire REV range. And thanks to the mild hybrid, fuel consumption drops by approximately 1.5 liters per 100 kilometers compared to the previous GLC 43 model, which had a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. In the combined cycle, the new GLC 53 has a fuel consumption of around 9.2 liters per 100 kilometers, depending on driving style. The 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system now has a unique feature: rear-wheel drive drift mode, which allows you to disconnect the front axle and enjoy controlled drifts. Now this is true AMG, deep 6-cylinder sound, instant response, and the adrenaline that's been missing for years. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 53 goes on sale in the second half of 2026. Estimated starting price is around $75,000.